Facebook's new AI model has been delayed yet again. Meta, the owners of Facebook, are building a new model called Behemoth. Very exciting sounding, but it keeps getting delayed. It was meant to be out in April, then the release was pushed to June, and now it's gone all the way back to autumn or fall 2025. So supposedly engineers from within Meta are saying that they are struggling to beat previous Llama benchmarks. We don't know exactly why this is, but we do know that a number of engineers from Meta have left. There was also a minor scandal when Meta submitted the benchmark results from a different model from the one they're actually releasing. Something is going on inside Meta, something messy, and this all comes after Meta have said they're going to be spending $65 billion on AI this year. A bit like Apple, there's a huge amount of cash being pushed into their artificial intelligence, but we're not seeing that much from Meta. Obviously, we have the Llama open source models, which are fantastic, but the actual deployment within Meta products, so within WhatsApp, within Facebook, is a bit lackluster so far. And that's what the investors are going to want to see improving, because they're going to want to see a return on what they're investing in. Personally, everyone I know who has had AI added to their WhatsApp hates it and they want it turned off. I've had multiple, now 4 groups of friends say let's move to Signal or Telegram instead because of these AI updates in particular. So I don't envy the executives and Zuckerberg over at Meta. They're in a tricky place where they potentially had a head start because they had a huge amount of data from Facebook. But when it comes to turning that data and their models into profitable products, which is what essentially their investors are interested in, so far they haven't had any real successes. I hope they stay in the game because of their Llama models, the open source models. But unless they can show some kind of return on their main products, so Meta, Instagram, etc., it could get increasingly messy for Meta.